Vacuum. Because that's what you're talking about.
Huge mouths.
Makes a loud noise.
Yes.
Yeah.
And this maybe
That's part of the vacuum.
and part of the vacuum in the waitress.
What were you doing with it?
Playing with it. Vacuum.
Yeah. Trying to put it back together.
Yeah. I done put it back together in the vacuum. That'd be so cool.
It's gonna be cool. Why do you want it back together?
Okay. Because on the vacuum like that.
I know what difference. You want to vacuum like Dad?
Yeah.
All right.
Is that whose job it is to vacuum?
Yeah.
No.
The vacuum you do.
Vader!
The thing that makes two louds. And the woman
Is that your imitation of a vacuum?
Yeah. The vacuum has ghosts. Or make us see the ghosts. The outest. Need a ghost in this house.
What does that have to do with a vacuum?
Vacuum goes stops and then it goes is dying.
Oh, you find another one, huh?
Yeah. And don't go racing. I use
What are you doing?
payment. Having vacuum.
Figuring out what I was doing, but I actually did something to ruin it.
Big vacuum. And big vacuum too. And that vacuum is so cool. And I got a big bag.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, what happens if you accidentally vacuum up a toy?
Because on the habit, vacuum, push it down, turn it on, get in, and make huge noise. I don't vacuum too. And I want to plug it, starts it in, make huge loud noise in back room.
But does it actually clean the floor like it's supposed to?
Yeah.
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 It doesn't just make loud noise, right? Okay.
And then it's piece and pull up. And that's why it's
That says get
pee put up. And that's so bad.
What's that have to do with the vacuum?
Hot vacuum.
Oh.
Don't take Dad take the pot and Dad is like it doesn't. Dad
waiting for
Excuse you.
Ooh, another ship.
and it pees in the potty. And all the pee in the potty.
Would like a little bit more?
I pee in potty too.
Okay.
Hey, Elijah,
All done?
can you dish him
Yeah.
just a little bit more, please? Food. Spaghetti, yes.